Hi, welcome to Hill Murray Boys Hockey. My name is Bill Lechner. I've been associated with Hill Murray for a little over 40 years now. Resume consists of being the FIA teacher, health teacher, and algebra for the first part of my career, and finished up the last half of my career as the activities director. Also was a football coach for 10 years, baseball coach for 18 years, and the head been in the hockey program for my 39th year. My main assistant is Pat Schaffhauser. We've been together 23 years. We also have 6 other coaches in our program, and to show the strong tradition of Hill Murray, 4 of those 6 were all Hill Murray student athletes and hockey players in our program. With that said, I'd like to introduce actually another alumni of Hill Murray and a coach that, like I said, we've been together for 23 years, Pat Schaffhauser.
Over 30 years ago already, I came into Hill Murray as a freshman, hoping to be a part of a great community, hopefully a small part of a tremendous program. I was trying to follow in the footsteps of a brother I followed as a young kid who came through our program, and it's now also a part of the Hill Murray community. It's been 23 years as a coach after 4 years here as a player. I went off to college after my career here, moved on to Europe as a professional career, and then a severe injury changed a lot of things for me. I come back here now after 23 years trying to help players and students and anyone involved in the community understand what it means to be a part of this program and a part of this Hill Murray family. It's a special place. It's a place where people truly care about you as a person, not just as an athlete. The athletes that we have here take special pride in being a part of Hill Murray and everything that Hill Murray stands for as far as the character and the respect and everything that goes along with being a successful student, a successful citizen, and that rolls into being a great program.
With our program success, we have had multiple conference championships, section championships, state tournament appearances, and state tournament runner-up and championships.
I'm Jensen. I'm a senior captain at Hill Murray. I've been in the program for 4 years, and I'm going to talk about my transition to Hill Murray as a new incoming student. First, it was very intimidating coming into a school, not knowing many people. I only knew a few friends that I looked for every day at school, but first day I showed up, I was welcomed with open arms, and I was treated very well. As a sign outside of our school says, all guests treated as Christ, and I felt that was very fitting for the school. The first day I started immediately making friends, and everyone was very friendly, and I felt very welcomed. As the school year went on, I felt more and more comfortable going to school, and I loved Hill Murray, and it just fit me very well, and they welcomed me very well.
Fletcher, I'm a senior captain for the Hill Murray Boys Hockey team. I've been in the program for 5 years. This is my 4th year on varsity. I've had a rich family tradition come through Hill Murray. My mom, my brother, a couple uncles, cousins. I just knew that Hill Murray hockey was a big thing for this school. I came in knowing that it was very hard to make the team, but with the youth hockey in my development, I came in, made the team my 8th grade year, and then freshman year I made varsity. But hockey, we have a rich tradition. My freshman year, actually, we made it to the state tournament. Sophomore year, we got beat, but came back junior year and won the state tournament, which was a pretty awesome experience. Other than hockey, there's also other things to do at Hill Murray. I also play baseball. I'm a 4-year starter on varsity for that as well. And other than sports, there's also many extracurricular activities such as care, link, all those good things.
Joe Blonichuk, I'm a senior here. Hill Murray, I'm a captain. I've been in the program for 4 years now. It's my 3rd year in varsity, and as a 7th grader, I came into the locker room with a buddy of mine, and I met Coach Schaff and Lex, and it was an awesome experience meeting them and seeing all the facilities we have here. In the locker room, it was a pretty surreal experience. And being surrounded with these two and the other kids we have on varsity, it made my development and my success to where I am today, the player I am. Along with that, we still have great activities at school. Like Matthew had said, you can involve in other groups, and tackle that in school as well as here at the facilities in hockey. And last year being a state champion, that'll transition into next year, and hopefully we can repeat.
In conclusion, we want to thank you again for considering Hill Murray and looking into our program and to our school. If you have any interest, obviously, call admissions and we will be there for you to follow up with any other questions or concerns. Our program does consist of, according to the State High School League, in accordance with 7th grade through 12th grade, and we have a couple different teams and variances for the opportunity for your sons. So thank you again, and we look forward to talking to you soon.